sa Korean look ay sina Tin Catalan, Carmela Habla, at si Mary Ann Poe. Okay, porque Chinese siya for sure, 40 na yan. Okay? Natatandaan niyo inyong module 1, day 11, the Eventri eyes, using tricolor, no? Pero this one parang dinadabdab natin to make it, wow, ano yung makeup, parang gano'n.
Hi friends, so while waiting, itutour ko kayo ngayon sa aking station. So itong mirror na to from MBN. Ang dala ko ay yung aking Glamcor. This is my makeup bag. And yung palette and everything. Brushes, foundations, everything. Pencils, palette, and chair. My big water, of course. Trash bag. So that's it. So ayan na yung nangyayari ngayon. Wala pa akong ginagawa kasi wala pa ang model.